First Choice Catering offers a complete range of parts for the catering business and is the leading provider in this segment in Great Britain. The company operates 12 Hänel lean lifts, clustered in groups of 3. The automated warehouse stores parts from all major manufacturers, as well as consumables and tools for the catering and refrigeration segments. An SQL database is used to link up the Hänel systems and the ERP system at First Choice Catering. Orders are automatically assigned job numbers that also indicate where specific items are stored in the Hänel lean lifts. When boxes on the conveyor pass by a scanner, data is sent to the specified lift cluster, which automatically brings the required items to the access point. Software supports simultaneous accesses at several lift systems, thus ensuring fast and error-free order picking. The Hänel Pick-o-Light system reliably shines a beam of light on container storage positions, and thus boosts order picking performance through reliable and quick item identification. Once an item is picked, the employee uses a barcode scanner to confirm the transaction. After the box has passed through all the picking stations, a roller conveyor system transports it to the shipping department. The intelligent and integrated Hänel lean lifts serve as the heart of the parts automation center, making sure that picking processes are smooth and efficient. First Choice Group has been using Hänel lifts for many years and will continue doing so to promote business growth. The new headquarters building will include 20 lift systems, each with a height of 12 meters, which will supplement the capacity of current warehouse operations.